Hello everyone, this is Teacher Rockie, and welcome again to our YouTube channel. Today, we will give some drills or reviewers in general education for the upcoming March 2023 board exam for teachers. Number 1. During his term, he initiated the K-12 education in the Philippines. A. Gloria Macapagal Arroyo, or B. Benigno Aquino III. Correct answer is letter B. Benigno Aquino III. Number 2. He adopted the Filipino First policy. A. Carlos Garcia, or B. Diosdado Macapagal. Correct answer is letter A. Carlos Garcia. Number 3. Longest-running dictator Philippine president ever known in Philippine and world history. A. Joseph Estrada, or B. Ferdinand Marcos Sr. Correct answer is letter B. Ferdinand Marcos Sr. Number 4. Declared June 12, 1898 as the Philippines' official Independence Day. A. Diosdado Macapagal, or B. Ramon Magsaysay. Correct answer is letter A. Diosdado Macapagal. Number 5. The first president under the Commonwealth. A. Emilio Aguinaldo, or B. Manuel Quezon. Correct answer is letter B. Manuel Quezon. Number 6. He is known as the President of the Masses. A. Elpidio Quirino, or B. Ramon Magsaysay. Correct answer is letter B. Ramon Magsaysay. Number 7. Philippine president who declared martial law and war between the Philippines and the US and United Kingdom in 1944. A. Manuel Roxas, or B. Jose Laurel. Correct answer is letter B. Jose Laurel. Number 8. He was the Chief of Staff of the Armed Forces of the Philippines during Cory's regime before he became president. A. Joseph Estrada, or B. Fidel Ramos. Correct answer is letter B. Fidel Ramos. Number 9. Philippine president who launched the Build Infrastructure Program. A. Benigno Aquino III, or B. Rodrigo Roa Duterte. Correct answer is letter B. Rodrigo Roa Duterte. Number 10. He made the Philippines a member of the Southeast Asia Treaty Organization. A. Ramon Magsaysay, or B. Carlos Garcia. Correct answer is letter A. Ramon Magsaysay. Number 11. He became a famous poet and known as the Prince of Visayan Poets and the Bard from Bohol. A. Fidel Ramos, or B. Carlos Garcia. Correct answer is letter B. Carlos Garcia. Number 12. Who is the 10th President of the Republic of the Philippines? A. Diosdado Macapagal, or B. Ferdinand Marcos Sr. Correct answer is letter B. Ferdinand Marcos Sr. Number 13. He joined with U.S. General Douglas MacArthur in late on October 20, 1944, to begin restoration of Philippine freedom after Japanese occupation. A. Elpidio Quirino, or B. Sergio Osmia. Correct answer is letter B, Sergio Osmia. Number 14. Who is the sixth President of the Republic of the Philippines? A. Manuel Roxas. Or B. Elpidio Quirino. Correct answer is letter B, Elpidio Quirino. Number 15. He waved the Philippine flag in declaring the independence of the Philippines in 1898. A. Emilio Aguinaldo. Or B. Manuel Quezon. Correct answer is letter A, Emilio Aguinaldo.